That was a good one. Hey, calf moosies. Right there beside Mama. Twins. I can tell they're twins because they look the same. That's all a professional doer. Been that way. Not really a good way to pull yourself out. Gotta be right on the ball. As you notice, there's nobody in the cab. Timing's gotta be freaking critical. Like right now. Next 800 Summit Turbo. Carve it around a bit. And over he goes. Awesome. Oh, she's rated now. Just to hammer it down. Yeah. We'll just start raiding. Flying outside, jump on a tram.
Bullet. Bullet. Are they coming out? Stay.
Little guy. Little guy. Just a baby little guy. Can't see him in the camera. Really close. Yeah. It actually looked deeper than that. Yeah. A foot away.
I'm serious, Hannah. We really...
3 inches away right there. Anything over 3 is dangerous to your body. It's 3 inches away. That's about 16 inches. Yeah, all the safeties are overridden. Good. 60 inch and 40 everywhere, even under the truck.
Oh, Christ! We're sorry! They're all came out.
You guys' clothes.
No
You just ripped.
Wow. Yeah, we had our clothes hanging in a tree.
Oh my god.
What?
This must have just fell.
Probably did. Last 5 years or so.
That's as far as I'm going. I get out of research still.
Hey, I'll take a picture. The falls in the forest here. They're loud. Little ones to the left. Main ones. There's a wooden something there. Little ones on the right. Nifty. A lot more water. Almost nothing. Small river. Where it is. Rock. And pretty nifty. Even the other bank looks cool. Bridge, what they call it. There's the water going down. As you look down, 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 down. Holy. 38 meters. That's high. I think it's going into rocks over there. This works much better. Lower Sunwapta Falls. That's going over there too? Really? Okay, give her! Here's the first one. Awesome! No time at all. Right beside Disneyland. Roller coaster right there. Headed for the hotel. Palm trees here. Larry, Mark's in the back seat.
What?
He's sleeping, looks like. Don't break it. Okay. Ah, there we go.
You missed the whole wheel landing.
Well, no, that's how it works. It's in the other parking.
More people on this planet. Jerry, just like,
Yeah, but
there's
the
a big
food-
silence.
The food is this friggin'
And then when
thing.
he say big silence, and he goes, what did he say?
Look at the lanes.
So funny. He's
Yeah.
like,
7 lanes right here.
Yeah.
This side.
So this is really good, you guys, because we're basically just we're going to almost 3 hours, but it's pretty much the distance.
Para dulces a tan solo 2 pesos. Sombrero de bruja a tan solo 2 pesos.
Oh, hey. A bufadora, the blowhole. Video. Holy. Pretty good. Okay. Who was on your team again?
Oh, it's I'm David Pearson, and then I have Robbie Bell, Taylor Roberts, and Ricky Brabeck, and Steve Henderfeld.
And your number is?
Yeah, number 4X on a Kawasaki.
Right on.
THR Motorsports. So should be a good race.
You bet. And here's Jerry.
oh, you getting that?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to give me that video. I was just telling, I was thinking Carla would love to see it.
Chase helicopter, ready?
What's he saying? You're supposed to use that? Oh, is this a video?
Yeah. Hang on a minute.
¿Dónde?
It's like an outdoor mall.
Oh, wow.
Again. There.
Now.
Hey, look at these guys.
Yeah, good.
Hey, good.
Up, now. Oye, Tommy, ¿quieres, Tommy?
Are
¿Quieres?
you gonna share?
Okay. Move the packet. Move the packet.
Here we go. Man, you set some dial.
Wow, perfect.
You haven't missed one since your first one.